Do it by yourself. Wooden benches can add both functionality and aesthetic appeal to your daily life. Here are a few ideas and reason why they are beautiful. We are back again with another amazing video. Thanks for being here. And we would like to thanks to all of you for being here. Your response regarding my channel is so phenomenal. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting and beautiful videos. Create a charming farmhouse vibe with a simple wooden bench made from reclaimed and distressed wood. Its natural beauty and the weathered finish bring warmth and the character to any space. Craft a sleek and the minimalist wooden bench with clean lines and smooth surfaces. This design complements contemporary interior and provides a versatile seating option that blends seamlessly with different decor styles. Build a sturdy wooden bench for your garden or your patio. Its natural wooden grain and the organic texture create an inviting atmosphere where you can relax, enjoy nature, and savor quiet moment outdoor. Make a practical and a stylish addition to your entryway with a wooden bench that include built-in storage compartments and the cubbies. It offer a convenient spot to sit while putting on a taking off shoes and helps to keep your entry area clean. Personalize your wooden bench by adding unique details such as engraved pattern, decorative carving, or custom paintwork. This allows you to showcase your creativity and create one of a kind piece that reflects your personality and style. The beauty of do it by yourself wooden benches lies not only in their visual appeals but also in the satisfaction and pride that come from creating something in your own hand. Whether used indoor or outdoor, these benches offer a comfortable and inviting seating solution while adding a touch of natural elegance to your daily life. Here are few new ideas and benefits of do it by yourself wooden benches in your daily life. Here we are, and contrast a spacious and the durable picnic bench for outdoor gathering and family meals. Its sturdy construction and natural wood finish enhance the ambience of your picnic area, making it delightful spot for shared meals and the memorable moments. Design a comfortable and super operative wooden bench especially for meditation and the meaningfulness practice. Its ergonomic shape and the cubeless seating provide proper alignment and serene space to cultivate inner space and reflections. Wooden benches are flexible seating arrangement that can accommodate varying number of people. They can be placed against a wall, used like a dining seat, or arranged around a table, making them a versatile option for hosting guests or family gatherings. Create a lightweight and the profitable and portable benches that can be easily moved around to your living space or taken outdoor. This will allow you to adapt your seating arrangement as needed and enjoy the beauty of nature from different locations. Give a new life to your old wooden furniture to repurpose salvage wood into a unique benches. Not only does this reduce waste and reduce your carbon footprints, and also promotes sustainability, but it also adds a touch of history and the character to your space. Set up a dedicated space for reading, studying, and engaging in creative activities with a comfortable wooden bench. This cozy nook encourages focus, inspiration, and a sense of tranquility, making it an ideal spot for pursuing hobbies or learning endeavors. Whether it's a backyard, on a porch, or around a campfire, wooden benches provide an inviting gathering space for conversation, storytelling, and connecting with loved ones. They foster a warm and welcoming atmosphere where people can relax and enjoy each other's company. Incorporating do it by yourself wooden benches into your daily life brings numerous benefits. They not only serve a functional setting but also elevate the aesthetic of your space, add a touch of nature, and offer opportunities for creativity and the personalizations. The fashion trends and influences can vary across different regions and the countries, cities around the world. Here are some notable fashion capital known for their strong fashion scenes. Wooden benches are commonly used in many countries around the world due to their versatility, natural aesthetic, and the durability. Here are some countries where wooden benches are widely utilized. Wooden benches can be found in parks, gardens, public space, outdoor recreational areas throughout the United States. There are also popular choices for front porch, patio, and the backyard sittings. Wooden benches are commonly seen in public parks, gardens, green space across the United Kingdom. They offer a place among the walking path near viewpoint of around historic landmarks. Germany is known for its beauty of wood outdoor space, and wooden benches are commonly featured in parks, botanical gardens, and the public squares. They provide comfortable seating for people to relax and enjoy the nature. In Japan, wooden benches are commonly found in traditional gardens, shrines, and the temple. These benches often made for sitting